Good morning to judges from Plus Project Global. I'm the leader of Stargazing Studio. All right, our project is about the web development, which is we did this website. The name call is about tech education, and our website including 5 pages, including VR, 3D printer, projectors, robotics, and hologram. All right, we built this website. The purpose is to let students and teachers to know how does the gadgets help them in reality, and how does the evolution of technology and as well as the gadgets helping the students and teachers in our society dramatically will be changed dramatically in our society, right? So we have the animation, a lot of animation in our website, which means that we can zoom in and zoom out in our text when we click the text. And when you're scrolling down, the images will move to left or right in the home page. Also, we have some of the link that can connected to other tabs or for a reference website. Okay, so as well as the pictures, when we click, we can zoom in and zoom out. All right, so we have the most interesting thing is about the top-down approach. When we click this button, it can go to the up of the pages, same as 5 pages in our website. All right, the most interesting things is about the VR virtual reality. We took about 1 month to did this coding, which is using the HTML coding. So we did this coding to let everyone to know the model VR. We let everyone to know what is a component, how does a component, and the clarity of the component to let everyone to see and learning the VR. All right. Okay. So we have the projectors. We have the scrolling effect. In when we're scrolling down, the scrolling text, the text will be moved to the left when we're scrolling down. All right, this is the most interesting thing in our website. I would say the 2 most interesting thing in our website. Okay, so moving forward to the uptime, the site speed. When we enter into our website, it can take 4.5 seconds when we first enter in our website. Okay, so our website have a high security and low risk, which means that we use the Wix Studio application to help us to test our website globally, and it can be run in 33 locations, mostly in Asian country. All right, and we have the traffic load simulator. It can be test. It can be run to 1 million daily visitors in a day. Okay, so site security, which means our website certificate by SSL certificate, TLS 1.3 encryption, DDoS protection, and level 1 PCI compliance. Moving forward to the next part, in our website, we use the JavaScript and CSS for animation. And it took us, we use the Visual Studio Code to help us and assist us to done this project, the web project. All right. So in conclusion, I would say building this website is a fun experience. And if I have more time, I will discuss with our team members to build more pages in exploring the technology and gadgets. How does it helps the students and teachers, and more gadgets to help them. Maybe in the future will be more like drawn in education and something very new in our future education, the gadgets. All right. So I believe that I truly agree the Nelson Mandela once said, education is the most powerful weapon that can change our world. So I truly agree that. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.